Welcome to AZ Quizzy Channel. Let's start. What is the boiling point of water? (100°C). Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What gas do plants absorb from the air? Carbon dioxide. What part of the body pumps blood? Heart. What is H2O commonly known as? Water. Which organ helps you breathe? Lungs. How many bones in an adult human? 206. What is the center of an atom called? Nucleus. Which force pulls objects toward Earth? Gravity. What vitamin do we get from sunlight? Vitamin D. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Hardest substance in the human body? Tooth enamel. Which part of plant does photosynthesis? Leaf. Main gas in air we breathe? Nitrogen. Device to measure temperature? Thermometer. Which cells fight infection? White blood cells. Main source of energy for Earth? Sun. What organ filters blood in the body? Kidney. Which is a solid form of water? Ice. What do bees collect from flowers? Nectar. What is the process of water turning to gas? Evaporation. Which gas is essential for breathing? Oxygen. What part of cell contains DNA? Nucleus. Which is not a planet? Pluto. Which part of body helps us think? Brain. What kind of energy comes from the sun? Solar. Which liquid is essential for life? Water. What do we call animals that eat meat only? Carnivorous. Which instrument shows direction? Compass. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. What causes day and night? Earth's rotation. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Which part of eye controls light entry? Iris. What is Earth's natural satellite? Moon. Which sense uses the nose? Smell. How many legs does an insect have? Six. What is the freezing point of water? (0°C). Which gas do we exhale? Carbon dioxide. What do you call animals with backbone? Vertebrates? What makes a rainbow? Light. What is the main function of leaves? Photosynthesis. What planet do we live on? Earth. What causes things to float in water? Buoyancy. What helps us hear sound? Ears. Which is the basic unit of life? Cell. What kind of energy is stored in food? Chemical. What gas do fish use to breathe? Oxygen. What do you call a scientist who studies rocks? Geologist. What are animals with no backbone called? Invertebrates. What is the sun mostly made of? Guess.